Hello guys, ladies, and today's video we're going to be installing this carbon fiber canal. I don't know if you can see it. So we're gonna do the right side first, then we're gonna move on to the left side. So right now it came out with this double side tape and these screws. So it's like it's 8 of them. It's 4 actually. Yeah, it's 4. 2 for this side and 2 for the other side. So I'm going to mount this, and be careful when you mount it. You don't mount it like this, because just in case if you're having bigger tires, that's not good. Just make sure it's kind of align. And if you're applying on white body or something soon, you're gonna have to remove that and replace it, you know. So yeah, so let's get to it. So I'm just gonna figure out the part I'm gonna mount it, and then I'm going to put double side tape on it. Then I'm going to screw it down. That should be fun. So it's not fully on. I'm just trying to see the spot right now. So this is the double tape I use. Then I'm going to take the screw, then to screw it in. I think that's the right spot. Yeah, look fine. Then my splitters will be right here. Yeah, we'll have all contact. Let me see. Gotta make sure it's going up and down. So yeah, the small ones on the top, and the bigger one on the bottom. So yeah, this is how we do it. So now let's just put everything back together. So there you guys have it. Now it's fully bolted in. Now I just gotta take out the double tape, like we do it out, and take out the double tape. I don't know, this doesn't really fit with my bumper though. But yeah, so yeah, I messed up my finger. The drill just went straight into my finger. Boom. I'm trying to put a screw in there. So yeah, trying to make sure this is aligned with this, just in case if you're having another freak me or something, so it doesn't hit the wheel. This one is good, but this one I might have to cut this. I don't like how this is sitting, like right there. I don't like it. Do you guys think I should cut it or leave it like that? So so there you guys have it. This is how it look on the dark. I guess you could see the carbon fiber shining through. Damn. And let me show you guys the front. That's my plate. I cover it. It kind of look funny. I don't know, for some reason. Damn, that's a shine. That's a shine. Damn. This is this side. So yeah, and hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, like and subscribe. Another thing I did, it was like each side of it, hold on, it was like I measure each side of it. So just like this, from the top right here to the bottom is 10 centimeters. When you go to the other side, it's the same thing too. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. If you did, like the video. I got a lot of new installing video coming up for this car. So yeah, enjoy and like the video. In case you notice, I raised the car. I was too low, so which car thing can't be that low. I'm not a staying boy. So yeah, boom.